but we're still a long way off, and we're on the Lilo 5 level. So Immutable X popped. Again, much of this driven by the activity on mainstream media, which I'm surprised people actually even watch. But in full disclosure, I use it and I love pair trading on it. It's pretty cool. And they have a whole bunch of bells and whistles that other places don't have, including 24-hour trading on Tesla. So it's kind of nice too. Also, stocks have been mixed. Speaking of stocks, this week, Tesla down 2.4%. Google, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft all up. Nvidia up 7.4%. And the stock markets are looking to kind of escape macroeconomic fears as it mounts a comeback. Markets have been up incredibly well over the last 2 weeks since towards the end of October. It dipped, but it has been a bit of a roller coaster for some names. And investors are hopeful that the Federal Reserve will not hike anymore and think about cutting in the next 3 to 6 months.